So now we will look at how to install a VirtualBox, which is our hypervisor of choice. So there are several choices available to us when we look for hypervisors. We are just listing the more popular ones that can be used on a personal computer, including laptops. Well, there are many others that are available for cloud applications, but we'll be limiting ourselves to hypervisors that run on a personal computer. So there's a hypervisor available from Microsoft called Hyper-V, that works only on Windows. The company that created this field of virtualization called VMware, so hypervisor they distribute is called VM Workstation, but that's not available for free. They do have a free version of what is called a VM player just for running virtual machines. You can't use VM player anymore for creating virtual machines. You were able to do that years ago, but not anymore. You have what works on Mac called Parallels, and of course the one we will use called VirtualBox, which is open source, it is supported by Oracle, and it works on all operating systems. It has now matured. It used to have some bugs initially, but now it's a very matured product, and it is used extensively for cloud applications. So before we start to install a virtual machine, you need to have a computer that has at least 2 cores. You should have at least 4 gig of RAM if your host operating system is Linux, Mac, or Windows 7. But if you are using Windows 10, you probably need 8 gig of RAM, because Windows 10 consumes a lot of RAM just to run the Windows 10 host operating system. The fourth point, which is very important for Windows users, hardware virtualization support must be enabled in your computer. Usually by default, it is not enabled on machines running Windows or Linux computers. Mac users have an easier time here because usually it is enabled. We're providing you with some external videos. These links will be linked here in the resources sections that will show you how to enable the virtualization support. I don't want to reinvent the wheel, and this gentleman has done a great job. So we are recommending that you watch this video. It will be provided under the resource section. Please note that different computer manufacturers use different terminology for this particular feature for enabling the virtualization support. And there are lots of notes in the class notes. If you have not requested access to class notes by now, you should. We'll be happy to share the class notes with you. And there are many other experiences of other students have been documented there. So if you're stuck or if you find something new, you can share that with other people. The link of the class notes is here, but we'll also provide that link under the resources. Again, you must have started this course to be able to get access to the class notes. Once you have enabled virtualization in your computer, you would then have to install VirtualBox. Now again, this gentleman from UK has an excellent video there that will show you how to install VirtualBox in a really excellent manner. So we encourage you to go and watch that video, or if you are just force sensitive, meaning you're good with computers, you can just do it on your own. Again, give us feedback of what you liked or what you got stuck with. We are happy to hear from you so we can continuously improve the material here.